Thank you very much. We are now in Hong Kong. We landed all of 20 minutes ago. We're gonna go to the lounge. I'm so tired.
Same here.
I think we slept about 4 hours on the plane. I've just been texting. We have a driver that will pick us up in Guangzhou, which is where we're going to next. And then we're going to Foshan. I think I'm pronouncing that all wrong. But that's where all the furniture supplies tend to be. So I didn't know this, but China seems to have essentially a city for almost everything. So Foshan is furniture, Shenzhen is technology, which some of you may know, and that's got like 10 million people in it. Guangzhou is a lot of cosmetic products, and then there's baby toy factory cities, there's like homeware factories and cities, like it's incredible and spread all around the country. So Foshan, I think alone has like 7 or 8 million people, and a lot of what they just do is furniture. So we've got a driver, they're gonna pick us up, and we'll go to the hotel, and then we'll hit one of the first furniture malls. So the first stop on our journey is a place called the Louvre Furniture Mall. This is what it looks like.
It's enormous.
It's incredible. And now, if it looks like that in real life, we're about to find out. But according to the photos, it looks incredible.
Yeah.
Apparently, it's got over 2,000 suppliers. So we're talking furniture manufacturers. So it is a mall dedicated to furniture.
So we're going to be like a kid in a candy store. It's going to
Literally.
be all different types, and it's going to be really high-end stuff.
But I hope some of the stuff we like.
Hopefully, yeah. Might go through a couple of levels to find some.
Well, and I literally think it's 10 stories of literally just furniture. So there's an opportunity, I think, to meet a ton of different suppliers. Our plan is over the next couple of days we'll just do the Louvre today and then maybe do one other mall. So that'll give us a good base of people to designs that we like and give us an idea of what we're looking for. Kind of what we want to do today is we want to find designs that we like. And then we can hopefully work with you guys to help get good price, to be able to find suppliers that we can then work with, and then go from there. So.
Okay, I got it. And so is it a wholesale? You're doing
Wholesale, yeah. So we sell to customers.
Customers.
So we put in shipping container, send to Australia and the US, etc. Right. Cool.
There are total 6 floors.
6 floors?
I think the first floor and the third floor that you are looking for.
Yep.
Yeah.
So first and third.
First and third.
Where would you suggest we walk around?
Here.
So we're trying to find something that we like. There's so many things. There's so many things.
There's a lot to choose from.
All right. Don't like those. So we just need to find the designs that we're looking for.
Yeah.
And then once we find the designs, then we can go, okay, this is how much we can order. So we've got this lady that we're trying to sell us a lounge, and then she'll let us leave until we go look at her other showroom. Like this sort of style.
Yeah.
So
It's like snake.
It's like snake. So
like
it's
snake.
like very different.
Go
Perfect.
to there.
If you're okay with that,
Yeah.
is that okay with you?
I'll go with you.
Yeah. Okay.
Go
Yep.
with you.
Yep.
Okay,
Cool.
let's go. Get
Yes,
Martin.
Martin. Let's get Martin. We are heading to a supply or factory / showroom, which Belle, our lovely guide, has recommended, and we're going to go there. We're going to go check out some designs. I think these will be more in line with what we're actually looking for, and we can try them out. Hopefully, film some content with them as well. But yeah, it just feels more direct than just kind of aimlessly wandering around a mall, which seemed like a great idea before. Yeah, I like that one. Okay. Is there one that's half assembled or something?
Oh, you can see the factory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's better. So for context, she's trying to figure out the quality, if it's good or not. So she's like touching it, feeling it, asking a million questions. I don't know what I'm looking at, and I don't know if quality is good or not. But yeah, man, it's pretty exciting. I've never been anything like this before. It's definitely interesting. I don't know if all factories made in conditions like this. It's pretty sketchy. But yeah, I mean, if it's good, we'll buy it. If not, not. But we're waiting to hear the answer now, so they're sussing that out at the minute. So how many of these, can you ask how many they make? Like, do they make a lot of these a month?
Yes. Finished product.
Finished product.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, we've got another factory that we
Yeah,
can go to. Can we get food?
The food now?
Is there any food around here?
Okay.
Well, we're doing factory number 2 now. We've done 1 today. This is number 2. Oh, we're getting beeped at. So you got a showroom here?
Yeah.
Cool. You okay if we film?
No, sorry.
No filming.
Yeah.
At all?
Uh-huh.
So that was a dud. They sent the whole catalogue beforehand, and there was designs in there that we thought were pretty cool. So we thought, okay, this might be a good fit factory to go to. No, you walk around and she's like, you can't film, first of all, so they couldn't film any of it. And then second of all, the actual items in there weren't what were in the catalogue. So they're just completely different and not what we wanted. So anyway, we're gonna find another factory to go to and we'll find a plan B. But yeah, we walked around, it was I got some video on my phone. So cue the phone roll of the factory itself. Super cool place. Stuff being produced left, right, and center. People literally hand cutting leather to like stitch on the couches and everything. So a bit more professional than where we just went. But you know, not the designs we actually want. But anyway, we'll see. Onwards. We're at a furniture expo, and apparently there's all different types of supplies here, and there's people absolutely everywhere. I'm on 3 hours of sleep, so I'm fading fast, but Belle says this could be good, so here we go with your furniture expo.
Yeah, there you go.
So a lot of these suppliers don't actually export overseas. They're all literally just here to sell if someone wants a new couch, but clearly there seems to be thousands of people who want a new couch, and they're just absolutely everywhere. So we're gonna go find the place upstairs that apparently does export, that's got cool, groovy, funky furniture kind of stuff that we want. So we'll go check out, hopefully there's something there that we can find, but this whole thing does feel like a bit of a rabbit race, trying to find what you want. If it's not really what you want, then you can't do a factory tour. So it's just, we've been here for, you know, less than a day and it's all over the place. But we're going on 4 p.m. And I think maybe we're almost done for the day. It's been a mammoth 24 hours. All right, so we're at the end of day 1 here in China, and I think we have our entire business model wrong. We turned up this morning essentially trying to find kind of cool, creative couches that we think would trend really well on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and we can send some of this stuff viral. We're only here for 3 days. 3 days is not enough time for that to work, and I don't feel like it's going to change anyone's life or it's going to make any sort of dent in anything. So I've had that sinking feeling inside of me for the last 12 hours and days before this, thinking about what else can we do? I think I've got it. Right now, people are spending thousands of dollars, $10,000 on a couch. Like, you move houses, like I moved to New York 2.5 years ago, I had to spend a couple of grand on just getting a couch. Anyone who moves out for the first time knows that it's a really meaningful investment that people have to make, because if you cheap out on a couch, it's gonna be shit, and they're thousands of dollars worth. But in a world where people love credit cards, like the percentage of Americans that don't have any money in their account is absolutely unbelievable, and who are actually living in debt, same with Australians, is staggering. And the idea of like using a service like buy now, pay later to split a catch up doesn't really make sense, because you're taking, say, something that's $5,000 and then splitting it in 4 payments over, you know, a period of whatever, it's like 8 weeks. Still is a lot of money to come up with in 8 weeks. On the flip side, the whole world is moving to what I believe is a subscription model, where you don't own anything. You subscribe. So instead of having to put down thousands of dollars for a couch or come up with repayments of still thousands of dollars over a short period of time, why don't we find
the highest quality furniture that still is a reasonable price, something that we can buy at a reasonable price, but it's something that a consumer can then subscribe for. So call it a couple of $100 a month. You can have a couch, so there's no upfront payment. You get something that's super high quality, something that you really like, that you can cancel anytime, so you can just send this thing back. And it's this entire kind of circular economy with a subscription that exists. So you can subscribe for everything in your house without having to buy anything up front. There's a lot of holes, and there's still a lot of thinking to do, and I'm trying to build a financial model now to see if this actually stacks up. I have a really good feeling about it though. I don't know if it's going to work, but this does change the entire trip.